Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking care of yourself as always. Today's video is gonna be an early fall makeup tutorial. For this look, I gave you guys 3 lips combination to pair with this eye look, a vampy look, a purpley mauvey lips, and this lips, that is the last one. I hope that you guys will like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start by moisturizing with the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. So I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Primer just to keep my T-zone mattified. Now that everything is sinking into the skin, I'm just gonna go and start the brows. I'm using right now my LA Girl brow pencil. It's in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna use that to contour my brows and outline them. To fill in my brows, I'm not gonna use a pomade or a powder. I'm just gonna use this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Espresso. See, I'm only using 2 products. My eyebrows are outlined, fill in, and set. And they're not gonna budge throughout the day. If you watch my videos, you know that I like this concealer. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30. So quickly we're gonna do the eyeshadow part of the tutorial. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer in medium deep, but I'm just gonna use it to prime my eyelid. And that's it guys, we're done. That was the makeup for today. Bye. Just kidding. My eyelids are all primed. I'm gonna use Colourpop eyeshadows today. I have this Colourpop palette. I bought those individual shadows and I put them here, so this is my collection. To set the concealer, I'm gonna use this shade. So I'm gonna use that to set the concealer. It's in the shade Hear Me Out. Now I'm gonna use this fluffy brush and I'm gonna use this mauvey shade. It's called Chic Happens. I'm gonna put that on my lids. And I'm gonna blend that on my lids. Keep applying and blend. I'm also taking it up on my crease also. For a gradient, I'm just gonna use this shade Silver Lining with the same brush, but I'm gonna apply this color higher. Just for pop of color, bit of warmth, I'm just gonna use this orangey shade. This orangey shade, it's called Cannonball, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. Always try my best for you, you just know it is. Now I'm gonna take a small brush and apply this dark purpley mauvey shade in my outer corners. I'm gonna use this small blending brush to blend this shade out. I'm gonna use this brush just to apply this shade Silver Lining again, just so I don't lose that color that I had on my eyelids. Again, I'm gonna use the flat brush and take that shimmery shade and apply that just in the inner crease. Okay, we are almost done with the eyes. If like me you're not good with liners, just line close to your lash line. And I'm done. I'm not gonna do a ring liner because I know I'm gonna mess up my makeup. Now we're just gonna quickly go ahead and finish this makeup. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm gonna use Real Techniques sponge. That's a new one, that's why it's so clean and orange. So let's start blending. I was feeling this wall of trust, my friend. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13, and it's a really good coverage concealer and I like it a lot, but you have to know that it dries really fast. Now I'm gonna use the same concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C18. I think that might be the last shade, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna use that just a tiny bit because it's really pigmented, just to contour. Now I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Banana. So let's go in quickly and wipe that off. To finish the eye, I'm gonna use the same shade Silver Lining, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my lash line. So I don't really like to apply blush, but there's this one from Wet n Wild and I like to apply just a little bit. I'm gonna spray some Mario Badescu cucumber water on my face just to melt everything off. Now I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Matte Finish spray. I'm gonna use this highlighter. It's my favorite highlighter of all time. It's the Luna highlighter in the shade Luna. Just gonna take a little bit. And I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this highlighter and apply that on my inner corners. If you want, you can leave the makeup just like that and apply lipstick or lip gloss. Now that I'm basically done with the lashes and that my face is basically done, I'm gonna give you guys 3 options for the lips. First, we're gonna try this L'Oreal Infallible Pomade Lip Lipstick in the shade 856. So really dark brown lipstick. Next, you can apply the ColourPop Cream Gloss in the shade Suki. For the third combination, I'm gonna use this lip pencil by ColourPop in the shade Peach, and I'm gonna outline my lips. Now I'm just gonna apply this Baby Lips by Maybelline. It has SPF 20, so I'm just gonna apply that. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe down below to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you again for clicking on this video, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bisous, bye.